Hi, this is Chaitrali and this is the problem statement given by the Skyfire Labs. This is the model which I have formed based on the problem statement given by the Skyfire Labs. First initial step is to create material properties and define section properties. So go to define material properties, then add the materials which are given in the problem statement. After that, define the section properties. In this you have to define beam and column sections. So select frame sections. I have created a beam auto select and column auto select options so that ETABS selects itself the safe and economic beam and column sections. After that, create slab sections. So go to section properties, slab sections, and create a slab section of 150 mm thickness as per the problem statement. After that, go to quick draw beams and columns as per the problem statement. After that, go to auto draw cladding and draw the auto draw cladding. Once you draw the auto draw cladding, now you have to assign the supports. So go to assign joint restraints, select the fixed supports and assign it to the base. After that, you have to assign dead loads and the auto cladding loads on the beams. So go to frame loads. In that, go to distributed loads and assign the load given. For example, here it is given 0.2 kN per meter. So click add it and click on apply and OK. After that, assign the shell loads. You will get dead load and live load which is given in the problem statement. So assign it as per the problem statement and as per the data given. After that, you need to add wind loads. So go to load patterns. Here you need to add wind load as per IS 875. So select that code, then modify it, and here as per IS code I have selected wind speed as 33 for Bangalore city. From appendix A, here you can see Bangalore has 33 meter per second basic wind speed. So after that, terrain category and structure class, everything is selected from IS 875 part 3. So click on OK. After that, you need to assign the wind loads. So go to assign shell loads, wind pressure coefficients. Wind pressure coefficient is selected from IS 875 part 3. So apply. To check whether the loads are assigned or not, go to display, load assigns, go to frames, and here select the dead load. So here the dead load of 0.2 kN per meter is added on the frame section, that is on the beams, as per the auto cladding load. After that, go to display, load assigns, shell loads. Here select dead load, apply, OK. So here the shed load of 2 kN per meter is assigned. Go to display, load assigns, shell loads, live loads, apply. Even the live loads are applied. So now go to wind, apply. Okay, so wind pressure is also applied to each story. You can see that wind pressure is applied to every story. Now your model is ready for analysis. So go to analyze, run analysis. So this is the result you get after the analysis. So here the displacement for every story for beam columns is shown. If you want to see the moments, go to display, force stress diagrams, shell stresses, click on Mmax, apply. This is the moment you get. If you click on any point, you will get the moment at that particular point, which you can see on the left corner. So in this way you can check for shear, max shear. Now go to design, view preferences, set IS 456 as a design code. OK. After that, go to design, concrete frame design, start design check. Once the design is over, you'll get to know the reinforcement for that particular beam and column section in the 3D view. The longitudinal reinforcement is shown over here. Now after that, you need to check whether all members are passed or not. So go to concrete frame design, verify all members passed. So here all the concrete frames are passed. After the design is completed, you will get the reinforcement gauge. So here you will get to view the rendered view for columns and beams reinforcement. For example, this is a rendered view for a column. So this is a rendered view for column. Here you come to longitudinal reinforcements used. So after that, you can generate a project report. In project report, you can view the joint reactions and the materials which we have assigned.